Hi and welcome to another chess video. In this one we're going to look at, let me just get this steadily closer. We're going to look at a very nasty, sadistic, if you will, tactic that happened very recently at a local tournament here in Iceland. Now unfortunately this is sort of a training tournament, so I can't really disclose the players, so we're going to give them fake Icelandic names. White is can't name him son and black is undisclosed son. So every male in Iceland has more or less 99% has the last name of his father plus son. So I am Jóhannesson, which means my father is Jóhannes. So I hope you like my new avatar for players that I don't have a picture of. And let's have a look at this crazy tactic. It's black to move. He's currently standing quite well. He's up a pawn. He just captured the pawn on b2. But white just played rook to b5 and he's attacking the queen on a5. But a very nasty surprise was in store here for white. Now I'm going to let you pause it and try to find the solution. Try to find the whole solution, not just the first move. It's good to train ourselves to calculate some moves, not just, you know, superficially make one move. And note that it looks tempting if we get something going on the first rank, but note that, you know, the king is escaping to h3 and doesn't seem to be made there. But okay, let's now actually have a look at what black played here. I hope you're ready. Black played the move rook takes f3. Well done if you saw that. But you have to see the whole point, which is very magical. Okay, first of all we're going to look at if white takes. White takes the rook, then the win is quite simple. We play queen a1, e1 check. King has to move. I mean, if you interpose the rook, it's made in 1. And now we just play rook e2, we pick up the queen, and more bad news for white, the rook can't be protected. So this is resignation time. So after rook takes f3, what if you just take the queen? He left the queen on pre, so we take it. But then rook takes f1, and well, black is currently down material, so he either has to mate or recoup the material. And yeah, this is very nasty. Rook f2 check. Okay, queen has to take, bishop takes. And king takes, and this isn't too bad, is it? We're down a pawn and all rook endings are drawn, right? Well, not quite. Black to move. Ooh. Oh, that's so nasty. The rook is trapped. This reminds me of another pattern about trapped rooks that I did here on this channel. I highly encourage you to have a look at it. I would put it in the card. It's called Patterns in Action, the trapped rook. It's very similar and a very useful pattern because this comes up from time to time. And yeah, white can just resign here. This is game over. The rook can't go anywhere. We can win it pretty easily. Let's say white does something by just playing rook to a8, king f3 or something, b6. The rook is trapped. We're gonna win it. But this is not what I would do, since we're getting sadistic here. Very sadistic. We will play rook e7. White, okay, white tries to do something. White is so without contemplate that it's even funny. Okay, let's try to push some pawns, do something. Rook e5. The king is totally boxed in on the e file. He can't go anywhere to help the rook, and we're just gonna walk the king slowly but surely to the queen side and pick up the rook. And this is the proper way to finish off this very sadistic tactic, which yeah, you can get full marks if you saw that after a6 the rook is completely trapped. Pretty good one. Yeah, but I'll see you in the next video. Most likely we will be back with Tata Steel, but until then I'll see you. Subscribe if you haven't. There's going to be another video up there, and I always appreciate the like button being hit, and I'll see you. Bye bye.